You see it. Q3 Quattro. Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. I'm back. Astu is back. I have this Audi 2021 in your face. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change and how to reset the oil life in this vehicle. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Destroy the subscribe button. Alright, destroy it. Hit the like button. Share this video and the feedback. You know what to do with it. Put it in the comment box for me. Shout outs to my subscribers. Alright, thank you for the love, support, and help. And I'm not gonna hold you up no more, but I want to encourage the females, the ladies, to become a technician, a mechanic, since I haven't seen that many out here in the field. Alright, say no more. Let's get into this oil change. Alright, I hope you like it. Enjoy. Put a quart in it. Recline your seat. Have fun. Alright, let's get it. Astuo, burum. So you're gonna come down here. That's how you open the hood. Pull it. Hey, you see in this machine in the field. And you come to the front, right here in the middle. That's the latch. You have to let it go. Let it go like your ex. You know what I'm saying? You have to hold it. Right here is the oil dipstick. That's the oil filter. The oil cap. Alright. Let me give you the manufacturer. Oh, this is the new Freon, the new AC. R1234YF. Alright. And right here, 2021 2.0. Alright. Now to get to the oil filter, to remove this, just pop it like this. Alright, don't be afraid. Okay, pop it like that. You see what I'm dealing with. Let's remove this oil cap. Just put it on the side. We're probably gonna use a 32. I'll let you know in a minute. This guy right here, it's being a little there you go. Okay, just gonna leave it right here. Alright, let's get it. You see the muffler right here? That's the muffler, pipe, tank. That's one side, that's the other side. Okay, one of them is the reservoir. Alright, this pipe right here. Could be the cat. I think it's a cat. Flats right there, the flats. And here's the boy we're looking for, the oil drain plug. Alright, and the oil filter is not here, it's up there, remember? Alright, so let me know what you think about this oil drain plug. Alright, it's a reliable, it's safety. I don't know, it's made of plastic, obviously, but we'll see. Alright, so we're just gonna use a flat screwdriver. Let me get some light here. Alright, just spin it counterclockwise. I mean, just be careful though. Look at this. Oh, you seen it. You seen it. Uh-oh. I'll try to hold it with my fingers. So you see the magic. There you go. I'm gonna have to let it go because the oil is hot. Look at that. Now. You know, well, let me know what you think about this oil drain plug. It has an old ring, metal plastic, nothing new. So let me know what you think. Is it safe? It's not. It's not. What you think? Put in the comment box. Alright then, we drain most of the oil. Alright. Now we're gonna put the oil drain plug back. Okay. Make sure you use the flat screwdriver just to tighten it. Okay. You don't need no other tool. Just like that. Okay. Like so. Like that. Right there. Here's when you lock it. Right there. And that's it. Tighten it. You know. Clean your mess. Clean after yourself. Have some manners. Now we proceed to replace the oil filter. So okay, oil filter, right? Did I say it was 32? Well, let's see. Come down here. You can get these tools at Aris on Amazon. These are 3/8. Right. Come to the 32. It's 32. This thing's not even tight. Once you break it loose, do it by hand, you know what I'm saying? Be careful with the oil. Okay. I don't think it's designed to overflow. I can tell you that much. That's what it looks like. That's the oil ring right here. Now this is the new oil filter, mount filter, HU6013Z. Okay. All right. So open it. Filter right there. Made in Germany. Shout outs to Germany. There's the oil ring. That's pretty much it. Alright, so that's what you're gonna do. Pop it down. So come over cheap. Put it in there. Like so. Okay. Turn it by hand. Alright. And then when it get hard, pause. Grab your 32 with the ratchet and finish the job. Okay. Don't worry about that mess. I'm gonna spray some brake cleaner or maybe wipe it. Wipe it down. Tie it, snug it. Okay. Now we proceed to pour the oil. The oil just come down here. It says right here, 0W20. Okay. Now this oil right here, this oil is butter. You know what I'm saying? This oil is synthetic. You know what I'm saying? 0W20. That's butter right there. Now since this is 2.0, I'm gonna start pouring 3 quarts, and then I'm gonna check the level. You know what I'm saying? So when you pour the oil, you just put the funnel right there. You know what I'm saying? Pour your oil. I wanna say I pour 5.5 quarts. Okay, put the engine oil cap. Put it back. Okay, like so. Now I want to show you I'm not lying. Okay. Now it's supposed to be right here, right? Right there, right? Just put it down right here. Pull it out. What is that? What is that? What is that? Alright, that's 5.5. Okay, now put it back. Spin it if you want. Okay. All we're gonna do now is put the cover back. You know what I'm saying? Just align it like this. You know what I'm saying? That's it. All right. Now let's reset the oil life. And then hey, how you doing, guys? I'm back. I hope you like the video how to do the oil change in this 2021 Audi Q3 Quattro S line. Okay. And I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life in this vehicle. All right. Before I get into that, you know what time it is. Please subscribe to my channel. Destroy the subscribe button. Okay. Do the same with the like button. Share this video and the feedback. Put in the comment box for me. Okay. Shout outs to my subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the help. And I just want to encourage the females, the ladies, to become a mechanic, since I haven't seen that many out shit in the field. You know what I'm saying? This is easy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let's do this oil change. I don't want to hold you up no more. Let's do this oil life reset. My bad. Let's get it. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna start the vehicle. Okay. Step on the brake. Press the push start button. You're gonna see all that. Okay, you're gonna start seeing messages. Alright. Sorry about that. Let me turn it down. Sorry about that. I don't want my video to be muted by YouTube for the copyright infringement. Okay. So now, what you're gonna do is come over here, go to this one right here, to the vehicle icon. Now go to settings and service. Now scroll down, go to service interval. It says service intervals, oil change has been due for 1,000 miles. So for 1,000 miles I haven't changed my oil. That's why it was dark, it was dirty. Alright. So what I'm gonna do now is press the reset button. It's gonna ask you, note, are you sure you want to reset the oil change interval? Yes sir. Yes, reset now. Now you saw that change. The oil change interval has been reset. And this is it. This is how you reset the oil life in this 2021 Audi Q3 Quattro S-Line 2.0. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna hold you out no more. I hope you like the video, you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. It was my pleasure. Alright, holla at your boy Astuo. See you in the next one.